Welcome to Phone Doctors tutorial videos. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to repair the iPhone 5C LCD Digitizer Full Assembly Easy version. On a scale from 1 to 10, this repair difficulty is rated a 4.5. The estimated time for this repair is 15 minutes. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Don't forget, with the original screw mat, you will never lose a screw again. Screw mat is available for most popular Android and Apple devices. For all your DIY kits, screw mats, and repair tool needs, visit us at PHONEDOCTORS.com. Use coupon code iPhone5C110 and receive 10% off your entire purchase. You can also find and visit us on all the popular social networks. Now, let's get started on the repair. Step 1. Ensure your device is powered down. Step 2. Remove the 2 bottom screws with the pentalobe screwdriver. Step 3. If the glass of your device is shattered severely, it's best to use a suction cup to pull up the screen. If the digitizer is badly shattered, it's best to use the metal spudger tool. Be careful not to scratch up or dent the housing when prying up the LCD. Step 4. Remove the 4 LCD screws with the 00 Phillips screwdriver. This is so you can unplug the LCD Digitizer flex cables. Then, remove the LCD Digitizer shield. Step 5. Unplug the 3 LCD Digitizer flex cables from the board. Step 6. Plug all 3 LCD Digitizer connectors back onto the board. Align the shield and insert all 4 Phillips screws. Step 7. Snap LCD Digitizer back into the housing securely. Make sure everything is flush with the housing. Step 8. Insert the 2 pentalobe screws back into the bottom of housing. We hope our video tutorial has helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial and tech videos. Thanks again for watching.